Hi everyone, Master Teacher Holly Holland here with another of our bone building exercises to help us overcome osteoporosis. This exercise may seem like a simple one, but it isn't simple, and it's something that is very important to do well as you start to progress through your exercises. I call it just getting up and down from a chair. A lot of times people will throw themselves up, push off on their knees or around their shoulders. We want to think of coming up from the chair as aligned, core-centric, and really bringing our hip hinge into action. So I'm going to sit close to the edge of a folding chair. I've got a stable surface here. Now I've got the block here, but I'm not going to use it initially. First, I want you to just feel the sense of your hips lifting off. Many of us had a difficult time just getting that up from the chair. So see if you can just take your hands to the sides of the chair, press into your feet, and lift up. If you already feel some instability with that, that's our next phase, where we bring something to help us feel a little bit more engaged in the inner thigh and the core. Now I've got this block to help me center so that I'm really engaging through here and I'm feeling my leg bones pressing down into the floor. I can still hold myself onto the chair here, squeeze the block between my inner thighs, and then start to come up in this position. I want to feel that I'm moving from the hips, which is lower than your natural waist, where the pelvis is, and then sit down. Now, you could also really emphasize lifting the sit bones, right? So that we're picking up our caboose. I think a lot of us really don't get up with our glutes. We just sit on them a lot. So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to squeeze into the block, pull my abdominals up and in, and feel my feet underneath me as I pick up the hips. Now I can really focus on holding that position, feeling the glutes, feeling the stability, that nice squeeze in the inner thighs, and drawing down. In my Yoga for Osteoporosis classes at my studio, we do this a lot to progressively come up and down for longer periods of time as we build our stamina. So what if you do as you progress? You maybe don't need this block here anymore. You're picking up your glutes, engaging your core. How about then taking the block between your hands? Add some resistance to your wrist while focusing on the stability here for longer periods of time. It looks like this. I'm pressing my feet down, drawing my abs in, really feeling the lift of my caboose in my hip hinge, and I press in there and hold that position. Now, I could hold this right here. I could work this out a little longer. Any number of options you could do. I could go back down and try it again. So practice that in stages as you gain strength. Don't try to rush through it too much. Do it as you can, and I hope to see you next time.